Margo, I wanted to ask, what makes an enterprise organization ready for Agile practice? How can an organization prepare and mature Agile practices?
The answer to what makes an organization ready is having that initial interest in Agile. Seeing the potential of an Agile process adjustment greases the wheels on getting that transformation in motion. The best preparation involves the communication we've talked about, as well as getting a good understanding of the current practices and where areas of improvement can be made. Using that data, which can be gathered through the targeted team surveys, town halls, or even focus groups, leadership can then begin to plan that Agile transformation. The maturation really happens at the team level as the team members become more comfortable with the new process and see the value of those changes and pass them along to new teams that they're now a part of. Think of it like creating advocates within the organization that share their excitement with others who then want to experience it themselves.
Very helpful, thank you.